Hello, my name is Dominique Snoddy and I work with WAMU at the Atlanta Edgewood location. I am the business specialist here. I'm a personal financial representative. Today we are throwing a business mixer. We're giving a chance for all of our business owners to come out, network, let them know that they have resources to come to in times of need, and just create a networking event so they can communicate and find those other resources out there. The benefits of having a financial representative and a personal banker is, of course, to build that long-term relationship. So whenever you're in need for lines and loans, you have that rep that you can go to that understands your situation, your circumstances, can advise you, direct you into the proper financial path, and someone to go to at all times and give you that banking relationship that you're looking for. We have a wonderful free business checking account that we offer to all of our business customers. As far as the best business account around, no minimum balances, there's no monthly service charges, unlimited check depositing, unlimited check writing. We do not nickel and dime any of our customers. The account is completely free. There are no hidden fees at all whatsoever. Online banking is free. Identity theft is free. We give you free ACH fraud protection, which will go for any electronic transactions. We cover you wherever you're needed at, and you always have someone to go to. As far as a business just starting out, expenses are very, very important. And going to banks where you're paying fees and little nickel and dimes, 10 cents here, 15 cents here, the business owners really need to understand that that does add up at the end of the year. When they go to file their taxes and they realize how much money they paid the year in fees, they understand how much more they could have invested and put into their business. Washington Mutual has actually a lot of different tax payment options. We have it to where our business owners can pay their taxes here quarterly. They can pay their taxes here monthly. We also have paychecks representatives that we deal with, where we actually can have our business owners wipe their hands free and clear. They handle all their quarterly returns, all their taxes, withholdings, their payroll to their employees. So we even have the resources to go to where business owners can wipe their hands and they don't have to worry about that. Very small business, that's who we target, that's who we look for. We do not go after the big money servicing businesses at all whatsoever. We deal with strictly small business owners that do not have that cash flow. They're not keeping that large amount of money in a savings account. We are looking for those small business owners that are just starting out, or they have just a small business. We are not looking for the big corporations, the Fortune 500 companies. We strictly target small business customers only. Pretty much anything that you can think of, from business consultings, real estate consultants, property management, small hairstylists, hair designers, stylists, clothing designers. We deal with small retail companies as well. Everybody and everyone's welcome. I just want everyone to know that, Washington Mutual, I know it is not a lending environment, but feel free to come to Washington Mutual for any lines, loans, credit cards, home equity needs, anything that you may need. Please feel free to come to us. We are here as your resource. We actually have a model. We think of more simple ways of banking. We also have a style that we call Ocasio, mainly more personal style of banking. You can come in at any time. You're never behind any glass. You can feel free to walk in the branch, walk around. It is called Ocasio. It's a beautiful setup. Visually, you will come in, you will have a greeter, a conciergeman that will greet every single customer that walks in. They will direct you to either the financial representative desk, or they will direct you to the teller line, or they will take you themselves. Is this something that they can handle at the front? We usually don't have a place to start lines. We try not to ever have one. If we do, we usually let the first customer start the line. You come in and you have an open space and you are free to move about as you please.
The staff is very informative. The staff is very friendly, and we've been sending clients to Washington Mutual since we've been members ourselves.
Yes, excellent service.